Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to use the format brushing across modules. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm inside the kitchen cabinet function. So we can use the format brushing by clicking on the material painter. So first thing you can do is to copy the color that you want and just apply onto the cabinet. Right, not only you can apply cabinet to cabinet, so right now you can also apply it onto the countertop. And over here I would like to copy the skirting material to my cornice, so we can also use the material painter, copy the skirting and apply onto your cornice. And there you have it. So this is how to use format brushing across modules. Good luck trying, guys.